Well, nothing super exciting going on, but I gotta do some cleaning in here. I've let this go a little too long. It's like 50 degrees, so I was able to get the cars out and see if I can get this one on the ground, get it out. And this thing is it's totally went disgusting in there. But anyway, that's what the plan is now. We're gonna clean all this stuff up and see if we can get our workspace a little bit better. All right, let me get to work here. Well, it's the first time I've ever had it set outside with the fenders just sitting on it. So this is the second time it's ever been outside, so still gotta clean the garage, but I'm sitting here playing. So anyway, I gotta get all this cleaned up because it's getting pretty nasty to work in here. I get that all cleaned up. I think she's gonna look pretty cool once I get it all done. If I ever get out of this cab. Yeah. All right. So I gotta clean. Here's my door handles, my floorboard. Gotta make those door panels, and like I said, I got window regulators coming. I'll probably just cut the whole inside out and make my own support. But yeah, all right. I ought to quit playing here and get to cleaning. All right. I got the shop cleaned up enough to push her back in. I gotta do something about all the tools over there still, but I can get before it gets dark, get the truck back in. I'll probably have to enlist in some help here. Alrighty, but she's coming along. Here soon. We'll actually start working on the sheet metal on the outside there. So, well, I'll get her back in the shop. Well, I got my little humble shop here cleaned up, so I have to get the cars put back in. It'd be nice working in a clean shop though. So I just got the fenders mocked up there again. So yep. All right, I'm gonna call it for the day. I'm gonna get me some beer, I think, and put all the pile of tools that I got all dragged out over there away, and then all right, well, thanks for checking in. All right, have a nice day.